Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft video. In this tutorial I will show you how you can actually use name tags, and I will give you 4 or 3 secrets of the name tags name that you can use and have fun with them in your Minecraft world. So first of all, please open Minecraft and make sure that your version got the tag names inside of it. Let's go ahead after you do it and then open your word. Basically in your survival world you can find the name tags basically I think 2 ways or 3 ways. The first one, which is in the spawners. If you found the spawner, you can get lucky and find that in a key in the chest. The name tag, you can find them in a chest. The second way, which is a template, a temple, I mean, not template, a temple like the desert one or the jungle one, you might find the name tag on them. The third thing, which is actually there's multiple ways to do it. The third way, which is like getting a villager to give you name tags, and the fourth way, which is making a zombie spawner and like killing a lot of zombies, and after killing a lot of zombies you might get a chance to get a name tag from them as well. So how can you really use name tags on your animals? So let's get ahead and get some name tags. Anvil, let's get also some fences, and let's get into it. So I will do something like so, and just by doing it, let me just do it very fast for you, and I will come back right after I'm done with it. So back to you guys, and now let's get some types of animals. I think we need eggs. Okay, like so. Let's get sheep. Something like that. Sheep here, another one here, another one here, and for this one I will have to make it something like that. Something like so, and here we can find a rabbit and put it in here. So the first way to use name tags, which is name tags, put an anvil down. You will need a couple XPs, and here for example you can name it whatever you like to name it. For example, your name, Lolly, and then you can add it to your sheep and it will be named the name you change it to. The second are the other secret stuff in Minecraft. You can actually for example, let's name our name tag like so, and let's name it something like that. And after doing so, what it's supposed to do, I don't think, let's get him inside, and as you can see it didn't really work at all. Let me check another one. Let me check this one. I think check like that, something like so. Okay, this one works, so it keeps changing the sheep colors. Let's try this again one more time. Let's try this like so. Let's remove the name and let's do it something like that. I think this will work. It doesn't work again. Yep, it didn't work. What do we have else? We can use it on a rabbit. Let's check if this one works as well. Something like so. Yeah, let's try it. Or maybe wait. So let's remove this, and let's. Oh yeah. My bad, guys. I have to remove these signs in from here. Let's remove this as well, and now I think it will work. Yep, it works, guys. It goes all the way around. He's flipped, and yeah, the 4 tricks that, or the 3 tricks to use your name tags on. For example, there is this one that keeps your sheep changing color, this one that makes it upside down, and this one will unlock a new skin for your rabbits, the ultimate skin in Minecraft. So yeah, that was this today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.